Hello there. Here at El Cambalache, we are excited. We're going to be hosting our first gathering ever called Autonomies in Practice, Economies, Identities, Arts, Land and Territories that Heal, from March 29th through April 1st, 2023. We are land, we flourish. We are water, our movements transform. This gathering is about to bring together as many people as possible to talk, question, imagine, and share practices of and anti-colonial and anti-capitalist autonomy in general for communities, collectives, activists, researchers, and people practicing and studying and anti-coloniality. We hope that this gathering will be the first of many to begin to define how we can incorporate autonomous, decolonial, and anti-colonial thought into our lives, work, and knowledge. We invite all people who are interested in learning, deepening, and sharing to this 3.5-day meeting. Sharing can be in the form of workshops, activities, artistic expressions, panels, and paper sessions. We are convinced that knowledge is built collectively. Our proposal is to generate the space for dialogue, reflection, practice in an environment of respect, reciprocity, and participatory action. If you would like to learn more, click on the link in our bio. And we hope you'll join us. We hope that you register by November 16th, 2022. We look forward to hearing from you.